Now it's available at McCarthycars, Volvo XC90 2012, metallic purple. The car has front daylights, front headlight washer. It's got 18-inch alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass. It's got roof rails. The car has rear parking sensor. It's got reversing camera. A 7-seater car, split folding rear seats. Full cream leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, rear DVD screens, remote control, 2 headphones. It's got 7 headrests, Isofix child seat preparation. For electric window, electric mirror, blind spot system. Fully electric seats, memory, heated seats, air conditioning, massage. Car has satellite navigation. It's got premium sound system. It's got iPad connection, aux, USB. Heated seats. 2-zone climate control, air conditioning. It's got automatic transmission. Folding mirror, blind spot system, rear air conditioning, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.